Okay friends, now in this video we will see how to multiply a two-digit number. Okay, now the two-digit number, first we will take a 96 into 97. In the previous video we have seen how to multiply single digit number. Now we have gone to two-digit number. Those who have not seen the previous video, kindly go through that video so that you will be able to understand it better. Okay, now for each of these we have to take now the number which is closest to the 96 and 97 is 100. That is reference number. Okay, previously for single digit we have taken the reference number as 10. Now for this we are taking reference number as 100. The same procedure. Step 1 is equal to 100 minus 96 4, 100 minus 97 3. So we have to, below 96 we have to write 4, below 97 we have to write 3. Now step 2, 96 minus 3 is equal to 93. Again 97 minus 4 is equal to 83. So 93 is a common number. We can just, if you minus one or single number, it will be sufficient. Okay. Then step 3 is you have to just multiply 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Okay, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So it is 9312 is the answer for multiplying 96 into 97. The next number we are going to see is 98 into 95. Okay, so the same steps. Step 1 we are taking reference number 100. So 100 minus 98, 100 minus 95. So 2 5. So we have to write 2 5. So 98. Step 2 is 98 minus 5. So we get 3. Then 95 minus 2 is equal to 93. 98. Then 98 minus 2 is equal to 93. 95 minus 2 is equal to 93. Then we are multiplying these two numbers. 93 is the common number. We are multiplying 2 into 5. Okay, 9310 is the number. Okay. Now we are going to see the next number. Then that is 97 into 94. So we will not do mind calculation. We have to immediately do 100 minus 97, we just 3. 100 minus 94, 6. Then we are, what is the 97 minus 6? It is 91. Then 63 is 18. 9118. So once you start doing this, using this, you will be able to calculate very fast. So now we will see the next number, 92 into 94. Just solve it. I will give you a few seconds. 100 minus 92, 8. 100 minus 96, 6. Then what is the 92 minus 6? 86. Then 86 are 48. 8648. So like this you can do the multiplication extremely fast. We will see the various types of methods. Now all the numbers which we have seen here is below 100. Now we will also see numbers above 100 in the successive videos. Okay friends, if you have any doubts, I will be happy to clarify your doubts. Please write it in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you friends. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.